How to add YouTube music in CapCut. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this following video, I'll show you how can you add YouTube music in CapCut. If you wish to add YouTube music in CapCut, you'll have to follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. You open up your browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in YouTube audio library. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press the second link that appears, and then it's going to take you to the web page, something like this. So while you're taken to this page, what you want to do is go to the YouTube audio, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure to enable it to desktop site. After which you could see a lot of music available in the YouTube audio library. Now you want to go ahead and locate it. You could also use the search bar tool feature, and here you want to go ahead and then you want to go ahead and click on the three dot icon, or just want to go ahead and locate the particular music. Once you actually going to locate it, so at the bottom of the page you can find a download option, so you want to go ahead and click on a download at the right hand side corner. So click on download, and here you go, this is being downloaded. So here what you want to do is, next thing, you want to exit out of this page once you're done downloading it. So then you want to open up your CapCut, open up the project where you actually wish to go ahead and add a music. Then you want to click on audio. As you go to audio, you want to go ahead and click on sounds, and then you could go ahead and locate the sound that you've actually done it so by tapping on the file button. Here you want to click on extract audio, and then you have to go ahead and locate the audio that you have it. So here you want to go ahead and select device, and then you have the music right over here. If you wish to go ahead and add the particular music, then click on the plus button, and then you've successfully added your YouTube music in CapCut. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.